Interesting. There's a hail core back there. Somewhere in central Kansas right now. I think just north of Tampa, Kansas. So I'm gonna look for another road to try to head a little bit further east. Alright, I'm dropping south right now on highway, I believe it's like 56, 77, I believe. Alright, I am heading south on 77 highway. Kind of in the middle of nowhere. South of Harrington, north of Marion. So the difference of time and how lost the road is and everything. Once the movies come out of it, and it's like, I like it. Oh, of course, it's terrible. Just around Marion, Kansas, and we have a double rainbow. Anyways, cute. It is springtime, and after the storms through here went through, the winds backed from the west to the south winds now. Kind of sitting off Highway 77. I'm facing west right now. This storm was previously severe warned